Introducing the 2023 Seat Ateca PA2 0TDI 115HP SEN15 in sleek grey, perfect for those who value comfort, safety and style. Packed with features such as Bluetooth phone connectivity, rear armrest and ambient lighting, this van is sure to impress. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and service to manufacturer specification. With a limited slip differential, stop and start system and energy recuperation, this vehicle is not only stylish but efficient as well. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can make this impressive vehicle yours. Drive in style and comfort with the 2023 Seat Ateca.